Back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix ARC Raiders game crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings, then move down to storage. Here click on console storage and extended storage. Check each of them and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data, then end game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and then select console storage and finally tap on delete option. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings. Now you click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select ARC Raiders and then select restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then choose system. Next go to system software, then system software update and settings. After that, choose update system software and finally choose update using internet option. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings on PS5, then click on network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Now choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5, then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. After that, select reset default settings and at last select restore option. Next is to reinstall ARC Raiders game. For that, highlight ARC Raiders on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install ARC Raiders again to check for the error. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already provided in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.